was a Viro Italian padlock. These locks start at $39.95 for the 40mm and go up $10 an increment from there. The tolerances are amazingly high and they're amazingly overpriced. I was checking them out at my locksmith's on just 2 days ago, and I was going to originally get this lock, but I decided against it because they were so damn expensive and I couldn't figure out why. So I dug in my pile of locks and I dug it out and decided to give it a go, and I thought, well, geez, there must be something special about it, but I don't know what it is. At any rate, it's the Viro, made in Italy, 50mm, full of mushroom pins, I believe. So, rate it. As always, peace. Don't pick for illegal purposes, and have fun.